Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of water sports with the FunWater SUP Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, a versatile and ultralight paddleboard designed for enthusiasts of all skill levels. This board measures 10 feet by 31 inches by 6 inches and is crafted from new ultralight military-grade double-wall PVC, making it 35% lighter than similar products while still boasting excellent wear resistance and toughness. The ergonomic handle design allows for easy inflation, and the sensitive barometer ensures you can always monitor the pressure, which should be between 12 and 15 psi. With a carrying capacity of up to 300 pounds, this paddleboard is perfect for exploring or adventuring in various water areas, and the multifunctional elastic string secures your gear tightly. The package includes everything you need: an adjustable paddle, 3 fins, a pump, a backpack, and a leash, all designed to make your experience seamless and enjoyable. The board's hand-splice EVA deck features exquisite totem patterns, beautifully complementing the ocean's hues, and the ultra-large backpack makes transporting your paddleboard to any dream destination a breeze. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the FunWater SUP is your ticket to unforgettable water adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.